In today's short analysis video, we will discuss on Union Pacific Corporation stock. My dear friends, this stock has broken out from an important resistance level, and along with that there are multiple positive factors which has already been triggered, and that would allowed us to buy this stock, that would allowed us an opportunity to buy this stock before an upside move gets start. Dear friends, if you'll make a closer look, this was a tentative top where the stock has given a price wise correction in the form of downward sloping parallel channel, and as far as the stock was trading under this downward parallel channel, the stock got triggered with price wise correction, and there was a back to back lower lows. First lower lows trigger here, the second lower lows here, and the last year. But as soon as this downward parallel channel got trigger on the upper side, first time its lower lows sequence shifted to higher highs, and this is an area where we find in two major positive signal. The first one is downward parallel channel got trigger on the upper side, and the second one is lower lows shifted to higher highs. And whenever the lower lows get turned into an higher highs, we mark that area as a confirmation that stock has completed the correction and it's ready for an upside move. And finally, my dear friends, we will check the most important factor, the most important breakouts, that will be in chart pattern. If you'll see over here, you will be able to witness there is a Darvas box pattern breakout. You can clearly witness there is a breakout which we, in technical terms, we call this pattern breakout as an Darvas box pattern breakout. And whenever this, whenever this Darvas box get break, it's become a high probability trade. So here we can clearly witness the breakout, and now very soon you will witness the price will be reaching to a target of $270. That will be the first target, and the second target will be $280. And in between there will be some, in between there will be some rejections. The stock may face a resistance at near to this blue line, and it may come down to retest the neckline. So you accordingly you have to keep your mindset ready. And and my dear friends, this area of neckline so far was in resistance, but now it has turned into an important support. Resistance now turned into an important support, and your stop loss should be below this important support so that it won't get triggered so easily. This is it for today's analysis, my dear friends. If you really love my analysis, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel for more such videos.